This compact EDC has an incredibly portable frame of 3.4 inches outputting a bright 1350 lumens. Introducing the Fitorch ER16GT flashlight. Let's check it out. In the box we have the Fitorch ER16GT flashlight, the included battery inside, a rechargeable 18350 battery, spare O-ring, USB-C charging cable, lanyard, easy carry pouch, and user manual. The ER16GT has an easy-to-use USB-C port for quick recharging without needing to replace the battery. Use the included 18350 battery to power up the light with longer runtimes of up to 50 hours on Eco mode. This EDC also runs on a CR123A battery, keeping you covered during adventures or blackouts with a replaceable option. The IP68 dust and waterproof design adds protection from the elements. It has an aluminum body with 1 meter impact resistance for a durable light at work or outdoors. Just press down on the convenient side switch to swap between the 10 lumen Eco mode, 100 lumen low mode, 450 lumen medium mode, and the 650 lumen high mode. Double click to access turbo mode, offering a maximum 1350 lumen output and a beam distance of 1,148 feet. I went to go get some footage of the beam outdoors and was really surprised at how tight of a spot beam that it emits. It cuts through the rain. I was even able to spot some boats over the water. Super bright light for an EDC like this that you could just throw in your pocket. Triple click to access emergency strobe mode, then triple click again to access SOS mode. Bring the ER16GT with you anywhere thanks to the included lanyard and pocket clip. Looking for even more hands-free light capability? Attach magnetically thanks to the tail cap. Perfect for under-the-hood car repairs or your next shift at work. Check out the Fitorch ER16GT at BatteryJunction.com. Check BatteryJunction.com for all your flashlight, battery, and gear needs. Subscribe to our email newsletter for the latest in flashlight news, sales, and more. Please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribe so you don't miss a new one. All of the links are in the description down below.